everyone, welcome to my channel. I want to show you today the JuJuBe. This one is the Be Supplied in the Queen of Niles. And if you're not familiar with this bag, it comes with two large handles right here. Inside, it comes with a messenger strap and some D-rings here, so you can use it as a crossbody, and then you could either use these ones as well. So it will look more like Be Light if you're familiar with that one. So this bag is for people that use pumps, or in my case, I do pump but I don't take them places. So I am using this as a diaper bag, and it has here on the sides, it has like the Be Sporty, it has some zippers, and it has two compartments. This one is just with some mesh pockets, two mesh pockets, and then this one is pretty deep, so you can put your pump in there. You see that? It's pretty deep, so I can put all my arm there. So this is how deep it is. If you see here, this is that pocket. And then it has a zipper pocket right here in case you want to add something else, and that's it. It doesn't have any other pockets inside. It does have a back pocket. It doesn't come with a changing pad. And then it does have a front pocket that is the mommy pocket. It's pretty big, and I like it how large the opening on the zipper is. So it makes it easy to find the stuff you put in there. It has a key leash here, a mesh pocket, and that's all it has there. So if you're interested to see how I pack this bag, just keep watching this video. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is add the stuff in the front pocket. I'm just gonna put inside my wallet and my chapstick and some receipts I have, because I'm gonna put everything in the mesh pocket. And then this key leash, I will just put my keys. I don't think I will use this, so I'm just gonna put it in there. I will put my phone here and my car keys. On this side pocket, I'm gonna put things he will eat while we're out. So I have here a pouch of peach and banana apricot. It's organic food from Plum Organics. I will get a spoon and his bib, and then I also carry this, and in here I just have some snacks for him, like theaters that he can eat. This side, the deep part, what I'm gonna do is just put my diaper essentials in there. So I have here a large set in the Happy Hearts print, and I have 3 size 5 diapers. I have a changing pad, I have Desitin, a little towel, some bags for daddy diapers, and some gloves as well. And I am going to put that one standing right here, just like this. You see it there. And I'm gonna put my pack of wipes, my wipe pouch, right there. Actually, I'm just gonna put it more to the front. There you go. So in case I need wipes, I just open this and I can take them out like that. Okay, and let's move on to the inside. What I'm gonna put here on the zipper is the stuff that I have on my mini V as well on the zipper compartment. That it is my wet ones and my mem pacifier wipes. These ones I just use to clean his pacifiers or any theater toys that he has. I'm gonna put them in here. I always keep a blanket with me, so I'm gonna put it right here standing. And this large set in the Rainbow Dreams, I have random stuff here, like a change of clothes for him in case he gets dirty, a pack of wipes of The Honest Company, 1 extra diaper, the wet bag in the Rainbow Dreams as well, and my med kit. And I'm just gonna put it standing right here, and then all I have left is his toys, and I usually put them here in this medium set, and I'm gonna put them on top because that's what I use the most. I have here some snacks for him, some puffs. I have 2 theaters and a little car. then the last thing I like to add in my bag is my Baby Organics alcohol-free foaming hand sanitizer, and I'm just gonna put it on the mommy pocket. And I like to have a burp cloth. This one is from, what is this? The bees, Bird Bees Baby. So I'm just gonna put it in the bag to have it handy. And that's it. I'm ready to go and leave the house. If you have any questions about this bag, leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!